In this video, we will talk about how to fix blank icons Windows 11, including desktop icons not opening Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Check desktop icon settings. Right-click on the desktop. Take your cursor on View. Here you need to ensure Show Desktop Icons is checked. Method 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Now scroll it down and search for Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Method 3. Disable widgets. Some users have reported that disabling widgets resolves issues with unresponsive desktop icons. Right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Turn off the Widgets option. Method 4. Update or reinstall display drivers. Do a right-click on Windows icon and select Device Manager. Here you need to expand the Display Adapters section. If you have more than one display adapter, you need to update both of them. Right-click your display driver and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Now, click on Close. If updating doesn't help, consider uninstalling the driver. For that, do a right-click and select Uninstall Device. Check Attempt to remove the driver for this device and click on Uninstall. After this, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Restarting your computer allows Windows to reinstall it automatically. Method 5. Clear icon cache. Click in Search. Type Run and click on Open. Here you need to type App Data and press Enter. Double-click on Local folder. Click on View. Take your cursor to Show. Click on Hidden Items. Here you can see Icon Cache file. Select it and delete this file. Now click on Windows icon and restart your computer to rebuild the icon cache. Method 6. Perform a system file check. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. In Command Prompt, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Allow the scan to complete. Afterwards, reboot your computer. Method 7. Disable tablet mode. Press and hold Windows icon key and press I on your keyboard. On the left side, click on System. Now click on Display. Scroll it down. In Display Orientation, change it to Landscape. Method 8. Drag and drop the app. Click on Windows icon. Select all apps. Search for the apps you want to see on desktop. Drag and drop that app on your desktop. Method 9. Update Windows. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Navigate to Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. So that's how you can fix blank icons Windows 11 and desktop icons not opening Windows 11. That's all for today. See you in the next video.